Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add friends on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app, and here you can see the option contacts at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can see this type of interface. You can search your friends by adding a friend's username or phone number. I can add my this friend, and it is the way you can add friends on Telegram. And you can also add friends by clicking on plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can enter your friend's first name or last name, enter a mobile number, and now you can tap on create, and it is the way you can add friends on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.